Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today we will learn the PH sound. We will read words with the PH sound. All the other letters in the words you already know how to read. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words we practiced. Let's learn the PH sound. The PH sound sounds identical to the F sound. Listen, I will say the PH sound 3 times. Ready? Let us begin. Now you say the PH sound with me 3 times. Ready? Let us begin. Great job. Let's read words with the PH sound like phantom. This is the method that we will use to read the word list. First, we will say the PH sound, then we'll read the rest of the word. Finally, we will read the whole word. When we complete reading the words using this method, we will read the word list straight through without pausing. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words that we practice. Ready? Let us begin. Atom, phantom, ill, fill, onyx, phonics, graph. Great job. Now we will read the word list straight through without pausing. Ready? Let us begin. Phantom, fill, phonics, graph. Great job. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words that we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. The phantom walked through the old house. We use phonics to learn how to read. Phil likes to ride his bike to the park. The graph shows how many books we read. Great job. Today, we learned the PH sound. We read 4 words: phantom, phonics, fill, and graph, and we use each word in a sentence. You did a fantastic job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 11. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day to review the lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. We have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of reading today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.